Damn, it's too damn hot here. Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Let's do this. Back. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. Me, I have this 2009 Nissan. You see the vibes. Versa. I'm gonna show you how to refill the AC with some Freon. Know what I'm saying? Before I jump into the action, I'm gonna say it again. Support the channel. Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Do that. Click on the bell button. Do that. So every time I upload new content to the channel, you're gonna be the first one to know. Like this video, share this video, and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Alright, do that. The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad. Don't skip it. It's like regular TV. Know what I'm saying? It comes with commercials. But now we call it ads. Alright? They last between 5 to 10 seconds. Know what I'm saying? You feel stressed? Go ahead, stretch the leg. Get a drink. Know what I'm saying? Let the ad run if you're not going to watch it. Come back and keep watching this. Alright? But this one is easy though. Okay? How to refill the AC system in your car with some Freon. Let's get it. This is how you open the hood. Like that. Come to the front. Look for the latch right here. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna use a kickstand. Okay. Probably gonna find it around here. Oh, here. Here's gonna be the kickstand, right? And you put it just like that. Pop. That's it. Okay, because this hood doesn't hold by itself. Alright. So be careful with that. Now we look around, know what I'm saying? We see this baby. We see this 1.8 liter engine. We look around, look for the AC ports. You know what I'm saying? We look around and here's one. This should be the low port because it tells you right there's an L. It says L for low port. Okay, see the L. We are not gonna take any L's today. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. Then you come over here. This is the other one. This is the high port. Alright. You see the H over there? You know what I'm saying? Right here. High port. Right. Now once we locate the ports low and high, we grab the hoses from the machine or any machine you have, extractor or one of these. Okay, if you don't have this machine, you can get an extractor. It's kind of like those inflators for the tire, inflator size. Those suck whatever you have in the system, in the AC system. Okay, and once you suck whatever it is, pulse, whatever it is in the system, you're good to refill it with some Freon. Alright. Okay, we're gonna grab these hoses. Now these guys have a red and blue, right? The red one is the high port, which is the bigger one, and the blue is the low port, which is a smaller one. They're not the same size, they're different. Okay, just so you know. Now we're gonna grab the blue hose. We're gonna turn this knob counterclockwise all the way, so we can push this back. Put it in the, just like that. Push it down, let it go. Okay, wiggle it, make sure it's there. Now turn it clockwise to secure it. Okay, now it's good. Now do the same with the high port. Turn it all the way to the left, counterclockwise. Pull this up like that. Let it go. Good. Wiggle it just to make sure it's there. Now turn the knob to the clockwise. Okay. Now secure. Now we go to the machine. Before I go to the machine, I just want to let you know that there's like a, if you don't have a extractor, there's another way you can purge the system. Not purge to the max, because even though you remove whatever is inside by pressing the air valve that is in the port, the air valve look like the one from the tire. It's the same thing, works the same way. Now the illegal way, bad way, is by, if you want to remove whatever is in the system, you press that valve and whatever is going to come out, right? But it is illegal because that whatever is inside, that hurt the atmosphere, the ozone, you know what I'm saying? That's what make the hole in the ozone bigger pores, you know what I'm saying? So don't do that, okay? You need a extractor or one of these machines. Alright, okay, let's go to the machine here. Now here we're just gonna turn it on, like that. Once you connect it to the hoses to the car, this needle is gonna tell you how much is in there. 0, okay, so that means there's nothing in there. This red needle just tells you where was the needle, the black needle. That's all they do. The red is for high, the blue is for low. This machine talk pounds, okay? No ounces, only pounds. Alright. So the machine right now has like a 6 pounds and some change. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna recover, press it, equalizing pressure, low system pressure. Low system pressure, that could mean that there's a leak, but we're gonna find out. Cover. Okay. We're gonna continue. Clear in progress. Press start to skip. Now the machine is extracting whatever is in the recovery. Okay, whatever is in the system. In those pipes, pores. Alright. We're gonna let it do it for a few minutes. Even though it's in 0, right? Both needles pointing at 0, which means that the system doesn't have nothing at all. Okay. Recovery in progress. This is how much the machine is gonna take from these cars, from the pipes, hose. Now it's been like a minute. Okay, we're just gonna like stop it. Right. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do vacuum. The difference between recover and vacuum is that a recover is gonna recover the Freon. Vacuum is when is gonna suck, pulse the humidity from the lines, because the lines been empty for some time. So, or for example, when you open the lines, like when you're gonna replace the compressor, the lines are exposed to the humidity, right? So if you do that, then you're gonna have to do vacuum. Vacuum time, we're gonna do 15 minutes. That's fine. Now it's gonna check for a leak. It looked like I saw Gucci. The vacuum process sucked the oil too. We're not gonna go crazy this time, okay? Just gonna stop it right now. Okay, so now we're gonna charge the system. We press here. Inject oil, yes. Now here we're gonna press the inject oil for 5 seconds, okay? Press it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let it go. Okay. Stop. It's gonna ask you how much Freon you're gonna put in the system. Right here, if you look around for this sticker, right here it's gonna tell you 8/8. This is the type of Freon R134A, which is the it's not the newest type. Okay, the newest type is 1234. Okay, this is 134. Now this is how much it's gonna take, pounds, almost 1 pound. Right? So you come over here, press 0, you get 9. Okay, that's good. Now we press start. Charge in progress. Do not disturb. Now the machine is charging the system with some Freon. It's not gonna take that long because it's only a pound. Alright. Oh, you're gonna see these needles going up to 100. Okay. There you go. Just gonna move that because it's right at 100. That's 100. It looks like I'm gonna have to start the car. You see that? So here it's gonna tell you what you gotta do. Yes. Use vehicle to pull. Select yes or no. Yes. Start AC on match, then press the start. Now here you come through, start the car. Well, let's turn this off. I'm gonna start the car. Okay. Now put a match. Turn the AC on. Now we go to the machine. Now we come to the machine. It says start AC on match, then press start. Charge in progress. Okay, almost there. That's it. Now here we're just gonna disconnect this line, turn it counterclockwise. Then pull this guy back. Just like that. There was a little pressure in there. Then you press yes and it's gonna here. Once you disconnect the high port, then it's gonna ask you that. Clear complete. Pressing the key to it. That's how you come here, disconnect this one counterclockwise the knob. Put it back. Turn off the machine. Don't forget to put the caps back. It's this one. Close your hood. And we come over here and feel for the cold air. Alright, which is nice since it's summer here. Okay, you're all good. You're Gucci. This is what you do to charge your AC system in your car in this 2009 Nissan Versa. Alright. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Okay. If you have any questions, just put in the comment box for me. I'm gonna say it again. Okay. Don't forget to support the channel. Oh, which leads me to shout outs to my subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Where would I be without you? Know what I'm saying? Support the channel by subscribing to the channel. Click on the bell button so every time I upload new content, you're gonna be the first one to know. Alright? Like this video, share this video, and the feedback put in the comment box for me. Alright? The other way you can support the channel is by watching the whole ad. Watch the whole ad. Don't skip it. All right, do that for the channel. Okay, it's like regular TV. You gotta come with commercials. You know what I'm saying? If you feel stressed, let the ad run. Go stretch the leg. Get a drink. Come back. Watch the ad if you want, but let it run. All right, then come back and finish this job. All right, that's how you get it done. Thank you for watching. Catch me in the next one. Axtuo. I'm clocking now. I'm out.